जय जगन्नाथ दोस्तों. Rath Yatra is a time when lot of devotees long to visit Sri Jagannath Puri and receive Lord Jagannath's sacred Sukhila Mahaprasada. But for many that journey is not possible. By the grace of Lord Jagannath, this series is my humble effort to help devotees who cannot visit Puri during Rath Yatra prepare these traditional offering at home with devotion and lovingly offer them to Lord. Today I am preparing Jagannath ji's favorite Jagannath Ballabha offered as Mahaprasad in Puri temple. I have prepared it in a simple home style way while trying to preserve its traditional character so that anyone can make it with love and devotion. While nothing can replace the divine Mahaprasada received at Sri Jagannath temple, preparing these traditional offerings with sincere bhakti is a beautiful way to remember him, express our devotion and stay connected to this sacred tradition wherever we are. We will need simple ingredients to prepare this bhog as part of Mahaprasad. So we will need a bowl of whole wheat flour, jaggery, half a bowl of ghee, desi ghee. We will need some whole spices like bay leaf, cloves and cardamom. We can add a pinch of nutmeg also. To start the process, we will need a pan and we will add ghee and then we will roast the whole wheat flour in a slow to medium flame until it is leaving its nice aroma. It needs to be slowly roasted over a very low flame. You can see, and then gradually it will turn brown, from light brown to a little bit dark brown. At this stage I would like to bring to your notice that the browning effect is entirely in your choice, and if it is roasted well with the jaggery, it gives a very good color and texture, and that is where the magic of this bhog lies, and you can really feel the taste and texture after you have given it as prasad to Lord. pay attention. The secret lies in this step. Roasting the whole wheat with ghee and jaggery before adding the milk develops a rich caramel-like flavor and a soft fudgy texture that simply melts in the mouth. Now watch how I'm adding the milk little by little. We need to keep it soft and crumbly and not runny at all. See the crumbly texture? That is how I would like to keep it. You can still add a little more milk if it is getting harder, but it needs to be a little soft because as it takes more hours to settle, it will start getting more firm. Jai Jagannath. As you can see, Jagannath Ballava has developed a beautiful soft fudgy texture with a rich gentle caramel flavor. If you are unable to visit Puri during Rath Yatra, I hope this series inspires you to prepare these traditional offerings at home and offer them to the Lord with a sincere heart. See the crumbleness of the texture here. This is the texture you will get when the bhog cools down completely. With love, gratitude and bhakti, I offer this humble preparation to Lord Jagannath. May He accept this offering and bless all of us with peace, good health and devotion. Jai Jagannath.